In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Uplay R164DLL is missing. Now just go ahead to your browser, type in Uplay R164DLL as you can see. Now just go ahead to this website, which is dllme.com. Just click on it to access it. And here you can find all the information about Uplay as you can see. And in order to download it, just go ahead to the top, click on downloads, just skip this ad. After that, just scroll down and select the version that you want to be available on your computer. Click on select, then click on start download. Now it will download on your computer as a zip file. So go ahead, click on it to extract it, or you can find it on your downloads and extract it manually. And here you can find it. So this was how to fix Uplay R164.dll missing. As always, thank you for watching.